Today we're going to sharpen the blades on the electric mower. We'll see how that goes. This will be our first round on this. It's a 21-inch. I used it last year and it actually worked out pretty well. I do all my edging with it, and then I pull the big mower out and finish off the center. But when you get the blade sharpened up on it, since I just did the big mower, and we'll have it ready for another season. I got 9/16 on this one. Roll out. Spacer. Okay, we'll go grab the grinder and get her ready. A little banged up on the edges, so we'll just clean them up real quick and get it back on there. Okay, we're just going to use a 4.5-inch flap wheel on this. It's not too bad. Usually if they're real bad, you have to hit them with a hard wheel first and then go back and smooth them back up with a flapper, but we'll just go straight to a flap wheel on this one. Main thing you want to do is just maintain that same angle. Don't make it more of an angle or less, just keep it the same. All you're doing is just taking that edge and bringing it right back out to a sharp point. That's all you're trying to do. If you take off too much material, you start running into balance issues. Like that. I'm going to check on this back side if you get a little burr on that backside from that grinder rolling that edge over. Just take and clean it off real quick. You can even take a file over it if you need to, just to take that edge off. There's not that much there, just a little burr. Okay, we've got her all ready to go back on. Most of them will say right on the blade, this side faces grass. Just make sure you have it back on the right way. Our lock washer, spacer washer on there. Down real good. Should be good to go. This deck looks pretty clean. If you have a lot of grass buildup, now's a good time to get in there and get all that cleaned out and ready to go. But we look pretty good now, so should be ready to mow. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll keep them coming. Out.